Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes podcast from the Motilal Oswal Research Desk. This is your host Shivangi Sarda, and today we have a distinguished guest joining us for a special episode where we gain insights on how to step into September. Joining us is man from Motilal Oswal, Mr. Chandan Taparia, Head of Technical and Derivatives at Motilal Oswal Research Desk. Hello, sir. Thank you for joining.
Thank you, Shivangi. What better time to be on this podcast as we have created history? Nifty has continued its winning streak of last 13 trading session, which was last seen in 1993. We have moved by more than 1400 points in the last 18 sessions, and index has been making a new record high from the last 4 sessions. So overall, the bullish momentum is getting on higher side, and we believe this ongoing journey could continue.
These are some really interesting data points that you've just mentioned. Of course, we have seen a comeback of the bulls in the second half of August, and we are holding well above the 25K marks. But how much can we trust the market at these levels? Is it time to offload or stick to the market right now?
Technically, the index has been making high rise from last 9 months. Nifty has formed a strong bullish candle on the monthly scale and respecting well to its rising support trend line. Even after the short-term consolidation, major trend of the market remains intact to positive, and every small decline is being quickly bought in the market. Nifty witnessed rollover of around 77%, which is higher than its quarterly average. Open interest in Nifty slightly improved with higher put-call ratio and decline in volatility, which clearly suggests that overall buy on decline stance could continue in coming series.
All right. And of course, your recent study on the relative rotation graph on auto was quite interesting. Could you please throw some light on the same?
The analysis of RRG, relative rotation graph, is all about finding the sector which has strength and momentum. It has 4 quadrants like leading, lagging, improving, and weakening. The analysis of RRG for auto index shows that Motherson Sumi, TVS Motor, and Ashok Leyland are in leading quadrant, which means strength and momentum both are there. Balkrishna, Bharat Force, M&M, and Exide are under weakening quadrant, which means momentum is likely to decline even after the strength. While Maruti, Eicher Motor are inside the lagging quadrant, which shows strength and momentum both are missing, so some profit booking could be seen. While Tata Motors, MRF, Apollo Tyre, and Bajaj Auto are under improving quadrant, which suggests strength is still low, but momentum will start improving.
So now we see that the auto is shifting gears. But overall, how does the market look? What will be the outlook for September henceforth?
So derivatives data and price setup suggests Nifty has to hold about 25,000 zone for an up move towards 25,600, then 26,000 zones, whereas immediate supports are placed at 24,850 and 24,600 zone. So one can play the upside move, but buy on decline stance or going with positive to range bound bias has to be the key agenda for being in the market.
All right, so now you know how to play out the September month. But speaking of the global markets, how do you see these global markets affecting our domestic market in the near-term future?
So when we talk about the global markets, we have seen Dow, the US market index, hit the new high. CBOE Wix, that is the volatility index of the US market, has corrected from 65 to 16. India Wix, the volatility index at India, has corrected from 23 to 13 levels. So stability in the global market by hitting the new high and decline in the volatility clearly indicates that overall bullish bias could continue in the global equity markets. We have seen a spike and then sharp decline in volatility, which clearly indicates that bullish bias could continue. So as of now, the risk and greed and fear indicator indicates overall bullish bias and lesser risk in the market as of now.
So overall, bulls to keep riding the market. And now for our listeners, the most interesting segment, what are the sectors and stocks to watch out?
So sector-wise, we believe consumption could be in focus. Counter like Godrej Consumer Product, Tata Consumer, Dabur, Hindustan Unilever could be in focus. In AutoPick, we already have discussed about relative rotation chart setup. And accordingly, we have positive stance on counter like TVS Motor, Hero Moto, and Bajaj Auto. In Cement Pick, we need to focus on the Grasim, ACC, Ultratech, and Ramco Cement. In real estate, some volatility could be there, but top name will be Oberoi Realty and Godrej Property. So these are the couple of sector and stocks you need to keep in mind to play well in the month of September.
All right, we have an entire basket of stocks and sectors to look out for. Also, recently in our new campaign, Man from Motilal Oswal, we have highlighted how research plays an important role. Can you shed some light on that?
So I believe research plays an important role to hold the right position for right time. I advise everyone to do their research before investing, not after.
Thank you so much, sir, for these incredible insights. Looking forward to host you super soon. Well, this is it for this special episode. Wish you a super series ahead, and don't forget to follow this podcast for your daily morning dose of the market. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.